Hey guys, today we're making a protein pizza that is packed in a lot of proteins and is delicious. For that we'll need 340 grams of farmer cheese, 2 eggs, 2 cans of wild-caught tuna, 1 red onion, 1 pepper, spices, and maybe some shredded mozzarella. You ready? Let's begin. We're going to add the farmer cheese into a bowl, add the 2 eggs, and blend it really good till it gets to more of like a creamier type of texture. Next step, we're going to chop the onion. I like the onion cut this way. After the onion is chopped, we're going to transfer it into a bowl. We're going to add the 2 cans of tuna. We're going to chop half of a red pepper into it. At this point, we're going to add all the veggies with the tuna to the farmer's cheese and eggs and mix them really good. Now this beautiful mix is ready to be transferred onto a tray and sent for baking. When you're transferring it over, make sure you transfer it evenly and it's leveled up. Garlic powder. We're gonna add some mozzarella. I really like it. And not without the smoked paprika. Preheat the oven to 356 degrees Fahrenheit and send it in for 40 minutes. Boom. Ready. Now, because you want to enjoy it sooner than later, transfer it over from the metallic tray into a wooden tray. This pizza, guys, could be customized in many ways, and this recipe could definitely be modified. Just keep in mind the caloric value that you put in, and yeah, pack up on more proteins. Enjoy!